Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Yev, and today I want to show you this interesting keyboard, this PC75B Plus with OSA profile, and this is from Akko brand. I'm using Akko switches for a long time, and this is really good professional switches. So I'm wondering what we have today, and today we have this version with yellow V3 Pro Akko switches. So I already quickly checked this keyboard and I'm impressed with two things. First, how it sounds, and second, RGB. Let's check what we have inside the box. So inside the box we have a keyboard, well packed with user manual, with several layers of dust cover. You may be sure that it will be no damage during transportation. There we go, the keyboard itself in white color and with Mac OS keycaps. It's important because it's very rare when you are getting mechanical keyboard with Mac OS keycaps from the box. So this is a cable, just simple, not braided, white USB-A USB-C cable, keycap puller, key switch puller, and USB wireless dongle. Okay, now time to connect this keyboard to my MacBook. So this is a Akko brand, and this is 75% layout. We have a hot swappable keycaps and switches. We will check them in a second. You can connect over USB-C, or you can use wireless dongle. This keycaps with OSA profile, so you can see this profile over there. And all good with in-key rollover, so it's a gaming keyboard, and also it's macros supported, so we can use Pro driver, and I will show you how to use it later. So from the case point of view, you have this knob. You can increase and decrease volume, and you can mute and unmute. It's a little bit like wobbling. I don't know, I don't like it. From bottom side you have this Mac mode or Win mode, and if you switch to the right or to the left, this battery will work from the battery inside. If you leave it as is in the middle, it will be USB power supply. Also you have two way of adjustment these legs. So guys, how it sounds? This keyboard is sound very good, take into account that it's just from the box, but it's no surprise because these guys from Akko, they know how to do the switches and keycaps and all of this, so it's quite like obvious that keyboard from these guys sounds amazing. Now let's check this gorgeous RGB. So first of all, you can change, like it's a 4 different blocks, each 5 or 6 different schemas of RGB. So it's really a lot of options what you can set up and how you can set up. And just check this out, how this RGB is brightful, you know, it's really bright. Take into account that these keycaps are not shine through, it shines a lot. RGB, it's not always like this. I mean, RGB it's not something unique, but this one is really bright. And it's not just RGB. Let's use this Pro software to do a key by key settings of RGB light. First of all, you can do some modification of the function assigned to the keys, and you can do this for many layers, which is useful. I'm not fan of this, but you can do this. Also, you can see this function, key and linkage to the different properties of this keyboard. You can do the macros. Again, I'm not fan of it, but if you need this. What is interesting for me, you can do the RGB like key by key setup, and it's really nice. I mean, you can set up your colors. You can, for example, select one color for the top line, another color for the right side, and for example, if you are doing this for gaming, you can set, let me show you, custom. So see, you can set this AWSD as a red, this additional important keys in a different color, then something else for green, top for violet, blue, and all of that. And RGB on this keyboard is awesome. I mean, in general, it's awesome. Small bonus. Let's exchange these keycaps, by the way, very good keycaps, with another shine through, and I will be able to show you gaming setup for the key by key RGB settings. Very interesting picture. Just follow me. And now, bonus content. I have another keyboard with a shine through keycaps, and I think it will be gorgeous if I will put these keycaps on this keyboard and do some special RGB setup. Let's check. Okay, done with initial switch of the keycaps. By the way, it looks good. So now I want to customize the RGB for my gaming needs. So let's do it together. So first of all, for example, if I need to make it red for the main keycaps, right? Let's see how it looks like. Cool. And now, for example, I want green around. This is usual my keycaps what I'm using for the other stuff in a game, right? Something like this. And then I need something dark around. Let's pick this color. Cool. And some additional layer of colors for the top side, and here you go, different color for each key in a very easy way. And now, like even in a dark environment, let me switch everything off so you will see how it looks like. So guys, what do you think? I think it's a beautiful. I mean, this per key RGB and shine through keycaps, it's really good. Okay guys, what do you think about this keyboard? I think for the given budget, with given functionalities and gorgeous RGB, it makes sense. It's wireless, it's Mac and Windows, it's a very gorgeous RGB, it's all the set of functionalities. So yes, I can recommend this keyboard. Thank you for being with me, see you next time, bye bye.